My name is Josh Lowder. I'm from Idaho in the United States, and I'm in my third semester here at MUA. I would describe the culture here at MUA as being very open and understanding. The teachers are constantly asking us to come in and with questions or to keep involved, especially in school and after school, and it's a very open atmosphere. MUA's curriculum helps to prepare students to become a doctor. As being a doctor, you have to go through making differentials for the diagnosis, and what's so helpful is the curriculum that we have here at MUA helps us to apply the basic concepts from basic science into making a diagnosis, whether that be through discussing symptoms, through discussing presentations or labs and history. We wrap it all together in class and we discuss the differences that could potentially cause the symptoms that we're seeing. The classes are demanding in medical school because there's so much information, there's so much material that you have to cover, and building that schedule is vital in order to have success in medical school. And so Dr. Jeffer is a part of the counseling service, been so helpful in helping me to get that schedule made. For anyone thinking to come to MUA for medical school, I highly recommend doing your research, calling admissions. Admissions has so much information that is helpful. It helped me to make the decision to come here. There's so many opportunities, and doing that research is gonna help concrete that idea. And looking back on my decision to come to MUA, I am so grateful and I love my classes. My classmates are wonderful. I've been able to get to know the faculty and the teachers, and they have helped me so much, and I feel so much support. I truly am grateful for my decision and so thankful that I made it.